the next burping challenge. So, I make Caleb is gonna make the burp version. So, for example, okay, you're ready. Now, ready? And now, another extreme. The possible. Caleb, ready? What you just can't do? Ready? And now the one that's like, now one that you just can't do. Alright, now let's get on with the real game. That was an example. Ow.
I told you guys. Why do you guys keep making that creepy sound?
Okay, now
Did I
extreme.
tell you guys that this was gonna be my house tonight?
Extreme. Caleb.
Stop.
Okay, now just try to do your biggest burp. Not. Alright, ready? Do higher than this.
Okay, we're safe.
Okay, I can do higher than that. Okay, now back to the game. Possible. Okay, do the funniest thing you can do. It doesn't have to be burp. It can be burp. This here. The funniest. Do the demonic thing. Like, turn off the lights and crawl here the demonic way. As you can. Is that yes in burp language? Okay. What is that?